How to block and unblock contacts on iMO. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from The Solution Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you could very easily block and then unblock contacts again on the iMO app. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first and first, simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the iMO app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in iMO, and go ahead and simply make sure that you have either downloaded it. Now once you've already updated the iMO app as well, I'm going to simply go ahead and open it. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you log in, you can see this is how it is going to look like. Now in order to actually block and unblock contacts on iMO, what you have to do is, first of all, you have to simply go ahead and open up their profile and then tap on their profile name at the very top of the screen, as you could see. Now over here, what you have to do is on the top right corner, simply tap on this three dot icon. As you tap on this three dot icon, you'll find this option which says block. So all you have to do is simply turn on this toggle right next to block, and you can see it says, are you sure you want to block this contact? Block contacts will not be able to message or call you. Then you could basically go ahead and then tap on the block list. Now we have actually successfully blocked that person. In order to unblock them, we have to tap on our profile icon on the top left corner, and over here we have to simply go to, let's say, settings. Once we go to settings, over here we have to go ahead and select the third option which says privacy. As soon as you select privacy, over here, if you have blocked some of the calls, by the way, you can also simply unblock the calls if you want. But we're going to scroll down and you can see this contacts and blocked list, and all you have to do is simply select blocked list, and you can see that particular person is in our block list. You have to simply go ahead and tap on the unblock button right next to that particular name, and then tap on unblock, as you could see, and that way you can successfully unblock them. And this is how you can block and unblock contacts on the iMO app. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.